In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Framer, a powerful tool for customizing your design projects efficiently and effectively. To get started, you'll first need to open Framer. If you haven't already, make sure you have the application installed on your device and launch it by clicking on the Framer icon. Once you have Framer open, you'll be greeted with the main interface. From here, you need to locate and open your project. You'll do this by navigating through your list of projects or simply creating a new one if you're starting from scratch. Make sure you select the appropriate project where you'll be making your changes. Now that you're inside your project, it's time to focus on the element you want to edit. Take a look at your project's layout and identify the specific text element that requires modification. You can do this by clicking directly on the text within the design area. Selecting the right element is crucial for ensuring that the changes you make are applied to the correct part of your project. With your element selected, it's time to highlight the text you want to edit. Click once on the text to ensure it's active, then click and drag your cursor over the text to select the words you intend to change. This step is simple but vital, as it allows you to focus your edits specifically where needed, enabling precise modifications. On the right side of your screen, you will notice a panel. This is your control center for making changes. Look for the section labeled Text under this right panel. Here, you'll see a variety of options to refine and customize your text. To begin, you can change the content of the text directly from this panel. Simply click into the text field and start typing your desired new text. When it comes to fonts, the same panel provides a comprehensive list. You'll find a button labeled Font, which allows you to explore the various font styles available. Feel free to browse through these options until you find a style that perfectly matches the tone and aesthetic of your project. Once you've made your decision, simply click on the font style to apply it to your selected text. Changing the color of your text is just as straightforward. In the same right panel, you'll find color options. Clicking on the color swatch will open a color picker, letting you choose from a spectrum of colors or input a specific color code if you have one in mind. This enables you to tailor your text to fit seamlessly with your overall design palette. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the changes to your text, it's time to publish your project. To do this, look for the Publish button within the application and simply click it. This action will save your changes and make them live, ensuring that your project is updated with your newly edited elements. And there you have it. You've successfully made changes to your text in Framer, enhancing your design with just a few simple steps.